Texas red worm. And let me set it. Hit that button. And you see it shouldn't spin out real fast when it comes. I put a little pressure on it. But it's all in your drag. Not too tight, but you don't want it to spin out the real fast. That's how a lot of people get a lot of mess and spool and stuff. And most of the time when you reel it in, you know, some people, they hold the line just to make sure it's straight coming in. But that's also a sign of, you know, your drag is not set right. But these are great rods. This one got a little flimsy tip on the end of it, so you can actually cast it over your back, from the side, however you want to do it. But I got an orange one. Man, you cast that thing over your back, you finna snap the whole rod in half. I done did it before. Anyway, pretty much the basics and simplicity of a bait caster. It's not really hard. It's a Texas worm. You gotta work it like a worm, goddamn. Twitch up. It's 60 degrees today. You know, it's good to go fishing. And then you got to set the goddamn hook. Yeah! I got his little ass. Come on in. Most importantly though, what I left out is when you do cast and you do swing and hit the bait, which I'm gonna let you do it yourself. When you do swing and hit your bait like that, keep your thumb over it like that too. Great tips. Got that from the stepdaddy. That's how you get them now. I'm retired, baby. I don't do it no more. I was forced to do this shit. That's how I know what I know. That about it. But truth be told, you know what? The game done changed the elevator so much, I'm still lost out here because I ain't did it so long. But I know what I know.